Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to clean Android phone storage. So there's actually multiple reasons why you might want to actually clean up your Android phone storage. So if you don't clean up your Android phone storage, there's a probability or actually a high probability of you experiencing slow issues of your Android device. So having to clean that up, it actually helps you a lot with your speed on your mobile device. So the first thing that we actually would suggest you first doing is we want to actually suggest you to start or restart your mobile device. Sometimes there's just data that's actually just needs to be refreshed, or what we call cache data that you have in your phone. Sometimes restarting your mobile device actually helps a lot, especially if it's running like for a few days now. Like for example, it's been running for a whole week and there's a bunch of cache data or temporary files already stored on your mobile device here. So you just want to make sure that you restart your phone first before you actually start removing your files. So once you've done that, you're still experiencing issues with speed, or just want to just clean your mobile phone storage or your Android phone storage, then we'll have to do this manual way. So here, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to clear up any images or videos that you have. So you can do this by going to gallery, and from here delete any videos or photos that you have right now. So I'll be showing you a way to do this automatically later on, because it's gonna be a faster way. But I wanted to show you the manual way first, because usually the automatic way might delete very important photos. So if you really want to clear up your photos here, make sure that you back up your important photos here, like for example screenshots of your personal details. Make sure that you save those first manually on another account. So here, once you've saved all your data, the important photos or important files that you have, we are now ready to go to the automatic way of just basically cleaning up our phone storage. So here, let's go to our settings. So before you proceed, we want to check if there are any updates on our mobile device first. So you either want to go to About Phone here or under System Apps Updater. So sometimes it's actually alternates between them. So if you have updates on System Apps Updater here, go ahead and install any updates on your mobile device, or here in the About Phone section, you could basically just install any updates that you'll see here. Now here, how do you actually clean up your Android phone storage? So here you want to go to About Phone, and here you want to go to Storage. In here, you'll be able to see the current storage that you have on your phone. So it'll show how much storage is actually being consumed by apps and data, images, audio, video, APKs, documents, and system files here. So let's just wait for this to load up real quickly. And as you can see right now, apps is mostly being occupied for my phone here. And I only have like a very small amount of remaining storage left for me to use. Like I have only 8.4 GB left for me to use for my mobile device. So when we actually just scroll down a bit, you'll see the free up storage section here and the cleaner or the cleaning tools that we have. So just click on free up storage. And from here, you'll be able to see all the tools that you can actually use to clean up your Android device. So right now, we have the clear trash faster. So we can actually just add this into our Android phone. So whenever we have any trash, it's going to free up space on our mobile device. And that's basically it. So if you have like recently deleted photos, it's going to be kept on a specific period, like for 30 days. If you delete any photos or videos, it's going to be kept for 30 days. So if you add this one, it's going to automatically clean any trash that you have here. So also we have our photos here. So if you want to click on free up space here, it's going to actually delete those unimportant photos that they seem not important to you. That's why I was telling you to actually back up your photos or important videos or even important details with screenshots maybe. Make sure that you back those up because they might be accidentally deleted with this process here. And yeah, so here we also have the app. So actually your mobile phone actually detects if there are any application that isn't actually being recently used or not being frequently used by you on this one. It's going to suggest applications for you to actually delete. So if you want to do that, just click on free up the amount of GB here for apps, and from there you'll be able to clean or free up space on your Android device. We also have the big files here and the delete videos. So if you have a lot of videos on your mobile device or big files, you can go ahead and delete those. Also, if you have APKs, like if, for example, if you're getting application or outsourcing application, or you have custom applications that you installed on your device, you could delete those APKs. So sometimes we forget to delete those, so it's going to automatically detect those files or APK files for you on the setting here, and basically clean up or clear up data or files on your device. We also have the app data cleaner here. So if there are any cache files or app data that we don't necessarily use frequently, like for example for Teams, if you have a lot of Teams installed on your device and you don't usually use them, it's going to suggest you to delete or free up space on your app data. And yeah, basically you just use this tool if you want to start cleaning up your storage automatically. This is the fastest way to do this. But of course, you could actually do this manually if you don't want to accidentally deleting your data, or you have information that you don't want to accidentally delete. Like for example, you don't want to clear data for Facebook, but you haven't used it recently. You can actually basically just hold click on the application that you want to delete or clear the data. So for example, we want to uninstall the Wise application here. So just press and hold on it, and you'll be able to see the uninstall button here. You just need to click on it and it's going to uninstall that application. Now, if you want to clear the data for that application itself but not uninstall it, just click on app info. And from here, if the application itself is running, you want to force stop it. So if it's not running anymore, you can go ahead and just click on clear data. And from here, just click on clear all data. It's going to clear up all the data that you have on your application itself. And it's going to free up any data or storage that you might have or free up here on your mobile device. And that's about it. I've shown you how to do this automatically, manually, and hopefully this tutorial actually helps you. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.